Artificial intelligence has transformed internet marketing by enabling businesses to analyze data, predict trends, and personalize customer interactions on a large scale. This technology has revolutionized how businesses engage with customers online, providing targeted content and recommendations based on individual preferences and behaviors. AI-powered tools such as chatbots and predictive analytics have enhanced customer experiences and increased efficiency in marketing efforts. By leveraging AI, businesses can optimize their strategies, improve customer engagement, and stay ahead of the competition in the digital landscape. AI empowers businesses to develop personalized marketing strategies by leveraging data analysis and understanding consumer behavior patterns. By utilizing AI algorithms, businesses can segment their audience effectively, deliver targeted content, and tailor marketing campaigns to individual preferences. This leads to higher engagement, increased conversion rates, and improved ROI. AI enables businesses to create dynamic, adaptive marketing strategies that evolve in real time based on customer interactions and feedback, ultimately enhancing the overall customer experience. AI tools like chatbots, recommendation systems, and targeted advertising play a crucial role in enhancing customer engagement for businesses. Chatbots provide instant customer support, answer queries, and guide users through the sales funnel. Recommendation systems analyze customer data to offer personalized product suggestions, increasing cross-selling and upselling opportunities. Targeted advertising powered by AI ensures that the right message reaches the right audience at the right time, improving conversion rates and overall customer satisfaction. These AI-driven tools revolutionize customer engagement by providing seamless interactions and relevant content tailored to individual needs. AI plays a crucial role in data analytics for optimizing marketing campaigns by analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying trends, and extracting valuable insights. Through machine learning algorithms, AI can predict customer behavior, segment audiences, and personalize marketing efforts effectively. This data-driven approach enables businesses to make informed decisions, improve campaign performance, and allocate resources efficiently. AI-powered data analytics allow for real-time monitoring, continuous optimization, and adaptive strategies that adjust to changing market conditions, ensuring maximum ROI and competitiveness in the digital landscape. Businesses encounter challenges when implementing AI in internet marketing, such as data privacy concerns, lack of skilled professionals, and integration complexities with existing systems. Overcoming these hurdles requires proper training, robust data security measures, and strategic planning. Looking ahead, future trends in AI technology for marketing include increased automation, hyper-personalization, voice search optimization, and AI-driven content creation. Embracing these advancements will allow businesses to stay competitive, enhance customer experiences, and unlock new opportunities for growth in the ever-evolving marketing landscape.